Hello, this is Michael True. Today we are going to learn how to add text in CorelDraw. Let's head over to the toolbars located at the left side of the window and click on the uppercase A. Click on your drawing area and you will see a blinking cursor. Now you can add your text. How to add text in CorelDraw. Full stop. So I click on my pick tool to deselect the pen tool. Another way to do this is to head over to your keyboard and press F8. Click graphic. Design for beginners. You are always not going to add short sentences and titles, but if you are making a book, for instance, you will have to add lots of paragraphs. To do that, I'm going to click this and I will need to draw a text box. To draw a text box, I have selected my text tool, so I'm going to click holding the mouse button down and drag to the right side, and there we go. I have my text box. Here I can write anything I want to. Let's do this. Welcome to beginners guide.com. I am Michael Truth and I make graphic design simple and fun. And there we go. I have added text in the text box. Thanks for watching.